Jabil is one of the largest manufacturing solutions providers on the face of the planet. We serve about 450 of the world's most premier innovative brands, and we do that across 100 facilities. We're operating in about 30 countries, and we have about 260,000 employees. And Jabil's vision is to be the most trusted, technologically advanced manufacturing solutions provider.
When I think of our relationship with Jabil, 25 years is a very long time, particularly in the context of a customer-supplier relationship. So I think it speaks to the strength and depth of our relationship. We both have tremendous staying power and deeply embedded Midwestern values that have served us well over these many years of partnering on behalf of our customers. I believe that's grounded in two things: our 100% commitment to our customers and our dedication to innovating side by side with them. We share these values and live them every day.
So having Molex work with our engineers at a more early stage of the design process is bringing advantages to us, and as far as having that alignment with the strategic initiatives that we have as a company. The technology roadmaps are so aligned with the visions and the investments that we're making as we think about engineering, we think about where we're going as far as specific markets and the technologies that are required within each of them.
It starts with collaboration and working on designs together versus just being asked to supply something. We've worked through a lot of different situations to help solve end customers' needs that help fit Jabil's process more, that help them be more efficient throughout their product development cycle.
I think it's all about the longevity. You can't buy history, and we've got a long, deep tenured history, and we have success that we can point to as well. And I just think that going forward, that success will continue to build on, because again, I believe we've put the right investments in place, and I think Molex can take advantage of the trajectory of growth that Jabil is on.
What we like best about working with Jabil is they understand a partnership goes both ways. And what we work on all of our projects for is to find mutual benefit that creates value for our end customers.
Here's what I was really pleased about as we entered into an unprecedented time at the beginning of the pandemic. And it was simply the way that Jabil and Molex found ways to work with each other with the same sense of urgency. We cared about the fact that the products we were building could end up actually saving people's lives and making a difference. And the folks in both companies went around with that heightened awareness, with that in the back of their mind, to be able to solution these unique and unprecedented challenges.
Molex reacted extremely quickly. They provided Jabil with priority once facilities came out of shutdowns in order to ensure that we had components to build these ventilators that were required for life-saving technology. That really reinforced the strategic partnership that we have with Molex.
Going from a purchase order history of around 2,000 pieces a year, and turned that around, and we're able to supply Jabil 20,000 pieces in as little as 6 days. Not only that, but we're able to follow up 1 week later with a further 16,000 pieces. Unprecedented speed of urgency, and I just can't thank the Molex team enough.
Jabil is laser focused on working in the new markets, whether it's battery management, whether it's electric vehicle, whether it's Industrial 4.0. Molex's technology matches perfectly to that. And if we can work early and often in the design process, we can both bring the best solutions to the market and to our customers. When we knowledge share and we collaborate with each other and we go through challenge process on what we think is the best solution that we can provide to Jabil, it really brings out innovation in all the products that we develop.
And as I think of going forward and I look at the growth opportunities that exist for both companies, Molex is positioned perfectly to take advantage of the growth that Jabil is not only came through, but about to go through when we think about 2021 and beyond. And when I look at success, I would look at success as Molex outpacing Jabil's growth inside of Jabil, and I think that's a testament to the relationship that we've had together over the past couple of decades.